Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City, Reno. In front of me I have the Vitassi Pathfinder 200 pull start with electric start go-kart. I do want to point out some service points on it, basic service points on it for you new owners on this Pathfinder 200. For basic service purposes only. And I want to point out these areas that need to be addressed on it. Where to drain your oil, where to fill the oil on your engine, as well as your gearbox. So on the back here, and I did mark them with red, you see where my screwdriver is pointed, right here. Move the camera a little bit closer. This right here is your oil fill, right here in oil check. And then in red over here, I marked it right where the screwdriver is pointing out. That's your oil drain right here. So that's your oil drain. This right here is your oil fill, you guys. And it takes just short of a quart, 1040 or non-synthetic. You could use semi-synthetic later on, but always be careful on filling it and measuring it always to the hash mark. Only to the hash mark. Follow your owner's manual as well. Now we'll go to the gearbox. The gearbox is located here. This is your gearbox right here. This is the gearbox fill right here. And then your gearbox drain is right over here, as shown here. So this is your gearbox right here. So this is where you drain the old oil. And then this is where you fill the oil. Generally it's 80-90. Follow your owner's manual on the recommendations. We generally use here 80-90 gear oil on it. So this is your fill. This is your drain here on the gearbox. Now to adjust your chain right here where the screwdriver is pointed out, right here, I marked it in red right here. You're going to loosen this top nut over here. Generally it's a 17, but double check. And then there's a nut underneath of it. You want to loosen this nut here where my finger is at. I've marked this in red here as well so you guys can spot it out. So you want to loosen this, which allows you then to tighten this. So you first loosen this one here, and then once you loosen this, it'll allow you to bring up the chain, tightening the chain or loosening the chain, whichever direction you want to go. So this is the area here where you want to tighten or loosen your chain. Loosen this nut, then you have the below nut below here, allows you to bring it up or down as necessary. Now this is for the Pathfinder 200 by Vitassi. Basic service points, you guys. Hope all is well. And you can find me on Instagram at ScooterATVSales, always posting. If you guys need some universal Chinese parts, it's ScooterATVParts.com. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care.